Punjagutta. So along with me, one of our student here, he got placed in a reputed company. So let him introduce. Yeah.
Well, good afternoon, sir. Myself Toufique Khan. I am from Chandrapur, Maharashtra, but currently staying in Hyderabad. And my highest qualification is Bachelor of Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Chandrapur. Passed in the year 2021 with 9.71 CGPA. That's all about.
Okay, very good. So what was the round happened for you?
They have taken 2 rounds, sir. First, there was technical round, and next HR round.
Okay, very good. So, what was the skill it was helpful for you to crack that interview?
Skills are basically they have asked more questions on core Java.
Okay.
And core Java.
Okay, good. So, fine. So, according to here, so what was the skills which helped you to crack that interview?
Core Java, they have asked me core Java. Here I have learned core Java manual testing, SQL and automation testing, and core Java helped me to grab this opportunity, sir. And
So fine. So very good. So here, what was the things it will help you, like grooming sessions, like our whatever the presentations which was happening, like is it helpful for you?
Yes, sir. It is very helpful. Like after the class, sir said to do the presentations, and grooming is also done. And here they have taken mock interviews that helped me to crack this job, sir.
Very good. So what was the company you have selected?
Yeah, company, sir. The package is, sir, as per company norms.
Okay. So what was the role there?
Role is a software developer.
Okay. Very good. So do well. All the best for your bright future.
Yes, sir. Thank you so
All
much.
the best. All the best. So thank you guys. Thank you.